Good morning, everybody. It is 8:59. I have no idea what time I got out of bed. I think we maybe got out of bed at 8 o'clock. I'm not sure. But Ben's had breakfast. Charlotte's gonna have breakfast. I got some fruit up for her. Hold on, Ben doesn't understand that he has no clothes on and he can't just walk in the camera. So you want to tie it like this?
No, you blow it.
Okay, so hold on for a second. Okay, you guys, sorry, he puts water in the balloons and then he plays with them like it's a water balloon, so I'm like, okay, whatever. But, yeah, I was cutting fruit for Charlotte, so I'm gonna get her some food. Grandma's upstairs, I don't know what he's doing, but he's, I think he might have went back to sleep because all the kids went and said hello to him. But, or he's actually getting in the shower. So, there's that, but I'm gonna make French toast because I've been just craving French toast and I like to make extra and then I just eat it for the next couple of days because I've been just really I've just been really craving some French toast. So we got that. I have no idea what we're doing today. We might just stay home. I don't even know what weather it is outside. It's like cold and rainy. It is currently 46 degrees outside, so looks like it might be decent out today. It's supposed to be 51, so it's not going to be that much, but it's just going to be raining pretty much all throughout the day. So we will see what we're going to do. I wanted to go kind of get like a cake or something for Graham, but he doesn't want any, so we will see what happens. But otherwise than that, we're just going to have a nice, relaxing, family, fun day. Okay, you guys, so I don't even know what time it is. It is, I think, like 11 something maybe, 11:06. And I heard that Walgreens is not doing 90. I heard it's probably doing 80. So I'm gonna go to the store and just see what they have. I have to get a couple things anyways there, so we're gonna go and see what they have. Mr. Benjamin's like, what? You can't come with me, honey. You're not allowed in the store.
I was standing here.
Well, you can't stay in the car while I'm in the store, honey. And you have no pants on. So, I'm heading to Walgreens and I'll show you guys what I bought, probably in a separate video. Depends on what I can get. Hey, you guys. So, it is 3:46.
Carol Baskin's here.
Carol Baskin's here. Charlotte took a nap around 2 o'clock and then I kind of just laid down and passed right out. Graham sneaked upstairs to see if I was sleeping. I was pretending I was sleeping.
I knew she was up.
And then I'm like, okay, I'll get up and start emptying the dishwasher and cleaning the kitchen. And then Charlotte woke up. So he's like, I'll help you empty the dishwasher. So I'm going to show you guys the mess of my kitchen and my mess of my kitchen table. And Graham and I are going to tag team it and clean it up as fast as we can. So we're going to see what we can clean up in 15 minutes. So look at my table, you guys. It's a complete mess. Graham opened his birthday presents and I got wreaths all over the place. Charlotte's having a fit, but this I don't care about, but it's this and that and this and that. So we are going to clean the kitchen. Okay, you guys, so I cleaned like crazy. It is actually 4:27. Graham's brother called him, I think, so he had to go upstairs because he hasn't talked to his brother in a while. But I emptied the dishwasher, I loaded it, I washed a bunch of knives and bottles and all that stuff, and then as I was picking up, I found more dirty dishes, so I gotta put those in the washing machine, yeah, you guys. I have to put those in the dishwasher. Now Graham's downstairs. But he actually took all these lids and containers out. We're going to throw half of them away. So that's what he was working on before he got a phone call. And now I also cleaned off a lot of the kitchen table, you guys. Like this is just my craft stuff. This is my craft stuff. But this is all stuff that he got for his birthday party. So he has to put those away. I have to bring those wreaths downstairs when I go downstairs. And then this is stuff that I got from Walgreens in the mail.
A Milky Way bar this big?
From couponing.
I made this when I was in 7th grade.
Yeah,
we had to make a candy bar.
Dork. So, and then I got him, I surprised him and I got him the Bad Boys for Life movie because that's what he really wanted. So, Graham's going to continue with that. I'm just going to pick up, I got to wash this and then I got to put that away. This is what I have to still put in the dishwasher. He's dealing with that. But, and then this is dirty, I gotta put that away. But otherwise, I think I did a pretty okay job. And then this is the steaks that we're having for dinner tonight. We're actually gonna cut it. We're only gonna cook one of them and cut it in half because this is like 2 meals for us. So that's what we're doing tonight. We got this at Costco, so pretty excited. Yeah, so we're gonna start getting ready to eat soon. I have to go in the basement and do some stuff, but I think Grandma will be cooking some food soon. Okay, you guys, it's like, I don't even know what time it is. Why do I keep losing the track of time? We didn't go anywhere today. Well, I did, but nobody else did. It is 5:13. Usually I do an empties video, and I do my basement video. Wait, when's the last day? I think tomorrow's the last day of the month. But my basement, we've been kind of slacking at stuff, and just because, I don't know, it's just boring doing a bunch of stuff, but Graham's upstairs. Charlotte wants to come down here, but I want to give myself like a good 10 minutes of cleaning so I can kind of give you guys an updated video tomorrow. So I'm just going to clean. You guys can see me fast forward a lot. You guys really enjoy that. So I'm just going to clean a bunch, and then I'll show you guys the tour tomorrow. But we haven't been doing very much down here. No. But I think we might watch a movie tonight since I got that movie for Graham. But I'm going to get everything squared away. So let's start cleaning some. Okay, you guys, so I was peeling the potatoes, and as you guys saw, I really like jammed my finger really badly. So then Graham took over, so I was like, then I went and went in the bathroom to put a band-aid on, and then I hear a bunch of screaming, and Graham was making cranberry juice in a pitcher. He spilled it all over the carpet, all over the floor.
Carpet?
Well, the rug.
Not on the carpet.
But all over the countertop, I meant. All over the floor, so I had to get on my hands and knees and start cleaning. I says, Graham, we are both done on doing something stupid today, and he just starts laughing. So, we are making the steak, and we're gonna have some potatoes.
What kind of steak are we making?
I have no idea. I don't know meat. I just make Graham cook it. That's one thing he cooks for me. But, then...
You want to tell him?
I don't know what it's called.
Spinalis dorsi.
Yeah, exactly.
The ribeye cap.
Okay. So, and then I says, so I cleaned the floor. I says, Graham, I'll just clean the floors tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna take the rugs out, because I like to hang out. Benjamin! You gotta be careful. He pinched her finger. So tomorrow I'll just take the rugs outside, let them air out, and then I'll mop the floors. I hope to clean all the windows, because then he can start fresh. So you guys will see probably a fast forward video like that, because you guys are really enjoying that. So I'm gonna go change her diaper. Happy birthday to you. Benjamin's not gonna sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Graham.
I'm ready to eat. Let's go.
You butt. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
Then you can pull that other one.
Happy birthday to you. Go, Graham.
You can pull those two.
Can you bowl the last one for me? Good job.
Can I pull
My attempt at making a cake.
Can you start?
Okay, you guys, the time is now 8:19. We're gonna get the kids ready for bed, and Graham and I are gonna watch a movie. But yeah, I had that funfetti cake that I got when we did our Walmart haul not that long ago. There's chocolate on my door. But yeah, I bought it because I'm like, I know I'm gonna need it for something. And then I'm like, while we're making our dinner, I'm like, Graham, do you want me to make you a cake? He's like, yeah. So the cake actually turned out perfect. Like for my first attempt making a cake, it turned out perfect. Waited for it to cool down, and then I started spreading the frickin' frosting on, and then it took some of the cake off, and then it just turned out to be like crap. But it actually tasted pretty good. But yeah, so there's my cake, you guys. So if you guys have, you know, input on how to spread the frosting, let me know. But yeah, we're gonna get the kids ready for bed. it was a random birthday for Graham, but he enjoyed it. Graham, did you have fun? What was your favorite thing of the day?
Mommy, can you grab
I'm more excited for the weekend.
We're gonna do more birthday stuff when the weather finally warms up. But yeah, he loved the random decorations.
I'm gonna like best my back rub tonight.
He loved the random decorations. He likes the miss-looking cake, but it tasted pretty good. The steak turned out perfectly. Like, Graham and I had just one of them. Hold on, honey. Yeah, Graham and I just had like one of them.
birthday still?
Yeah, it's still Daddy's birthday. Is there anything in this? Look what I still have, you guys. My movie theater cup. I've had this since the day I saw this movie on 11/18/11. Tastes good. So, yeah, so we're gonna get ready for kids ready for bed. So I hope you guys had a nice, awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.